Hi, welcome to VIVE Talk. I'm Troy Wood. VR is being used across many industries to train their professionals. Nurses, doctors, pilots, mechanics, even law enforcement, and they're seeing substantial benefits. VR training is much more immersive than traditional learning methods. You learn by doing, creating memories instead of memorization. And studies show that people have a much higher degree of engagement and information retention with VR. It's also safe, convenient, repeatable, and measurable. You can closely track training performance over time. Axon, a leader in law enforcement technology and the manufacturer of Taser, is using VIVE to transform the way public safety officers train. VR enables officers to learn from real-world scenarios anytime, anywhere, while allowing instructors to provide real-time feedback, even remotely. In the real world, officers encounter complex scenarios like mental health crises that require real-time assessment and split-second decision-making. It's critical that VR training feels real, both physically and mentally, to simulate a stress response that is similar to what officers actually experience when in the field. This helps build muscle memory so that de-escalating hostile situations become second nature. Axon worked closely with HTC to create their VR training solution, which is now being used by law enforcement agencies across the country. Axon VR simulator training uses the VIVE Focus 3, the VIVE wrist trackers, and the Taser 7, which has VR mode built into the standard issue service weapon that officers actually carry on duty. Axon's Master Instructor School is a train-the-trainer program where the leading law enforcement instructors go to learn from the experts. At the event this year, Axon set up 100 VIVE VR kits for Taser training. And in order to manage such a large-scale deployment, they used a central mobile device management, or MDM platform from ArborXR. This enabled Axon to push the right content to the right headsets, manage updates, and provide overall visibility to ensure that the devices ran smoothly. Using an MDM platform for large-scale deployments with headsets like the VIVE Focus 3 has become increasingly popular. It offers scale, control, and customization, all of which are key for organizations who want to leverage the key benefits of VR training: higher engagement and increased knowledge retention in a manner that is safe, convenient, repeatable, and measurable.